Hey, it's going to YouTube, so you know it's best. There's some big news coming out of Nintendo's camp here. They're working on a brand new portable gaming device called the Nintendo 3DS. It's going to be a successor to the Nintendo DS. Now, this device, as you can tell by this name, is going to be actually 3D capable. So you're going to be able to play 3D games on here on this portable device without the need of glasses. Now, the way this is going to work, if you don't know yet, it's going to be able to possibly the way they're going to do this is to have a front-facing camera in the front of the device so it can look at your eyes and track your eyes. And depending on where your eyes are, where you're looking on the screen, it can manipulate the image, the on-screen image, to make it appear 3D. So you can check out this little clip here by Johnny Chung Lee. It's a guy that actually did a little test video showing how to do this with the Wii. And it can use the same similar type of concept, but you can see you're not wearing any glasses. He doesn't have any special lens over the camera, but the images on the screen still look 3D. So that's going to be very cool. Now, it will also have a camera on the back as well for taking pictures of other people as well. So other cool things that may possibly be in this device is that the screen may be higher resolution than anything else we've seen before, so possibly 720p. Also, it's going to be backwards compatible for all the older DS games. It's going to have the same two-screen concept, but these two screens are going to be able to work in conjunction as one big screen, something that's not being used before right now. It could have an NVIDIA Tegra chip powering it, so that's going to be a very nice power platform for graphics for this thing, and that combined with the 720p screen, if that does happen, it's going to be a nice combination. It could also, Nintendo may be throwing in 3G into this bad boy as well. So you're going to be able to download games over the air or be able to connect wireless and play with other people without having to be stricken to Wi-Fi. So that's going to be another good addition. Could possibly include a accelerometer as well, just like the iPod Touch, to give you a little bit more range and motion with your games. And that's about it. So all these things, like Nintendo in Japanese is already in Japan, Nintendo Japanese, but Nintendo in Japan has already did a press release that they are working on this product and said it could be released anytime within the next year. Now, a lot of the things I went over are some speculation, some good sources that they have came that from the article I looked at, but other than that, I can think a lot of those stuff could be, a lot of those things could be actually into this device. And that's going to be a pretty cool device. I don't have a Nintendo DS, but I know other people do. It's a pretty cool little device, and this might be the one that I actually get. So stay tuned for that. Are you interested in this? Have you heard any other rumors about this? Leave a comment below and see if this is really going to be something that can come to fruition, because I think they can put all this power into the device, but unless the developers, the software developers really back this platform, it could fall flat. And we still don't know whether the older games, are they going to need to be, changed in a way, or can the older games like the regular Nintendo DS games now be put into this 3DS, and will they work 3D? Will they be 3D compatible, or do the developers need to start over or do something to alter those games? So that's another big point to look at as well. But as we get more information, I'll keep you up to date. But thanks for watching. So you know it's best here, and I'll catch you later. Peace.